Welcome to NG Space. My name is Ngozi and you're welcome to my space. Today I'm making tiger nut milk and you guys are making that with me. All the ingredients used for this recipe I will be dropping in the description section, so go check it out. If you stayed up to this point, thank you. Please don't forget to like the video, share the video, and do leave me a beautiful comment. More importantly, subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification bell so anytime I upload a new video, you will definitely get that notification and come watch what I have on my channel. See you in my next one.